Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm doing great. Thank you. How about you?
I'm pretty good. I feel a little tired because I woke up earlier than usual today.
Really? What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I usually wake up around 6:30, but today I wanted to have more time before work.
That's a good habit. What do you usually do when you wake up?
First, I drink a glass of water because I think it helps me feel fresh. Then I brush my teeth, take a shower, and prepare my breakfast.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat something simple. I often have eggs, toast, and fruit. Sometimes I make oatmeal when I have more time. What about you?
My breakfast is usually coffee and bread, but I know I should eat healthier. I'm trying to add more fruit and vegetables to my meals.
That's a good idea. A healthy breakfast can give you more energy during the day.
Yes, I agree. After breakfast, I usually check my schedule and get ready for work.
What time do you usually start work?
I start work at 8:30. I work in an office, so I usually take the bus in the morning. It takes about 30 minutes to get there.
That's not too bad. Do you enjoy your job? That's not too bad. Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I do. Some days are busy, but I like working with my coworkers. They are friendly and helpful.
That's important. A good work environment can make a big difference.
Exactly. What about you? What does a normal workday look like for you?
I usually start work at 9 o'clock. I spend most of my day using my computer, answering emails, and working on different projects.
Do you take breaks during the day?
Yes, I do. I usually take a short break in the morning and another one in the afternoon. Sometimes I walk outside for a few minutes.
That sounds relaxing. I think small breaks are important because they help us stay focused.
I completely agree. Sitting for too long can make you feel tired.
What do you usually do after work?
After work, I like to relax for a little while. I usually change my clothes, have dinner, and listen to music.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy many types of music, but I especially like relaxing music and soft pop songs. They help me forget about stress.
That sounds nice. I usually watch a TV show or read a book after dinner.
What kind of books do you like?
I like books about personal development. I enjoy learning new things and improving myself.
That's great. Reading is a wonderful way to spend your free time.
Yes, I also try to exercise in the evening. I usually walk for about 30 minutes.
That's a good routine. Exercise is important for both physical and mental health.
What about your hobbies? What do you like to do when you have free time?
I have a few hobbies. I like cooking, watching movies, and sometimes playing sports with my friends.
What's your favorite thing to cook?
I love making pasta. It's easy, delicious, and there are many different ways to prepare it.
I love pasta too. Maybe you can cook for me one day.
Of course, I would be happy to. Maybe we can have dinner together sometime.
That sounds like a great idea.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 10:30 or 11 o'clock. I try to get enough sleep because I feel better the next day.
That's a good habit. I used to stay up late, but now I try to sleep earlier.
It's amazing how small changes can improve our daily lives.
You're right. Having a good routine helps us feel organized and happier.
I agree. Our daily habits may seem simple, but they can have a big impact on our lives.
Exactly. Thank you for sharing your routine with me. It was interesting to learn about your day.
You're welcome. I enjoyed our conversation too. It's always nice to talk about everyday life.
Yes, it is. I hope you have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You too. Have a great day.
Hi, it's great to see you again. How's your week going?
Hi, it's going well, thanks. I've been a little busy with work, but I'm looking forward to the weekend. How about you?
Same here. This week has been very busy, so I can't wait to relax. Do you usually have plans for the weekend?
Sometimes I do, but not always. I like having a quiet weekend. It gives me time to rest and do things I enjoy.
I feel the same way. After a long week, it's nice to slow down and take a break.
Exactly. What do you usually do on Saturday mornings?
I usually wake up a little later than on weekdays. Then I make a nice breakfast and enjoy a cup of coffee while listening to music. I usually wake up a little later than on weekdays. Then I make a nice breakfast and enjoy a cup of coffee while listening to music.
That sounds peaceful. I also sleep in a little, but after breakfast, I usually clean my apartment and do the laundry.
I do that too. It's nice to finish the housework early so the rest of the weekend is free.
Yes, it makes me feel more relaxed. Do you ever go shopping on weekends?
Sometimes. I usually buy groceries on Saturday afternoon. If I have extra time, I visit a bookstore or a shopping mall.
I love bookstores. I can spend hours looking at different books.
Me too. Even if I don't buy anything, I enjoy walking around and discovering new books. What do you usually do in the evening? On Saturday evenings, I often watch a movie or invite a few friends over for dinner.
That sounds fun. I usually stay home, make popcorn, and watch a comedy or a romantic movie.
Watching a good movie is a perfect way to relax.
I agree. Do you ever play sports on weekends?
Yes, on Sunday mornings, I usually go for a walk in the park or ride my bicycle if the weather is nice.
That's healthy. I enjoy walking too. Sometimes I invite my sister and we walk together while talking about life.
That sounds wonderful. Walking with someone makes the time go by quickly.
It really does. Do you cook on weekends?
Yes, I like trying new recipes. Last weekend, I made homemade pizza for the first time.
Really? How did it turn out?
It was surprisingly good. The dough wasn't perfect, but it tasted delicious.
That's great. I usually bake cookies or a simple cake on Sunday afternoons.
I wish I could bake like that. Fresh cookies always smell amazing.
They do. My family always gets excited when they smell cookies in the oven.
Speaking of family, do you spend time with them on weekends?
Yes, whenever I can. I usually visit my parents or call them if I'm too busy to visit.
That's nice. I try to have lunch with my family every Sunday. It's become a tradition.
Family traditions are special. They give us something to look forward to.
Absolutely. So, do you have any plans for this weekend?
Yes, on Saturday, I'm meeting a friend for lunch. Then we're going to visit a new cafe that just opened downtown.
That sounds exciting. I've heard good things about that cafe.
I hope it's as good as everyone says.
What about Sunday?
I'm planning to stay home, read a book, and maybe watch a movie in the evening. I want a quiet and relaxing day.
That sounds like a perfect Sunday. What are your plans? On Saturday, I'm going hiking with two friends. We found a beautiful trail not far from the city.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I love being in nature.
Me too. It helps me clear my mind and forget about work.
And what about Sunday?
I'm planning to cook a nice dinner, listen to relaxing music, and prepare for the new week.
That's a great way to end the weekend.
I think weekends are important because they help us recharge and spend time doing the things we love.
I completely agree. Even simple activities can make us happy.
Well, I hope you have a wonderful weekend.
Thank you. I hope you enjoy your hiking trip and have a relaxing Sunday.
Thanks. Take care and see you next week.
See you. Have a fantastic weekend.
Hey, how are you today?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm good too. I've been thinking a lot about my future lately.
Really? What have you been thinking about?
I've been thinking about my dreams, my goals, and the things I want to achieve in life.
That's interesting. I think about those things too. I believe it's important to have dreams because they give us something to work for.
I agree. One of my biggest dreams is to start my own business someday.
That's a great goal. What kind of business would you like to start?
I would like to create a company that helps people learn new skills. I enjoy teaching and sharing knowledge with others.
That sounds amazing. I think helping people is a very meaningful goal.
Thank you. I know it won't be easy, but I'm willing to work hard and learn new things.
That's the right attitude. Many successful people started with just a dream and a lot of determination.
Exactly. What about you? What is one of your biggest dreams?
My dream is to travel around the world and experience different cultures.
That sounds exciting. Where would you like to visit first?
I would love to visit Japan. I'm interested in the food, the traditions, and the beautiful places there.
That would be an amazing experience. Traveling can teach us so much about the world.
Yes, and I also want to improve my language skills. I think speaking different languages can help us connect with more people.
I completely agree. Learning a language opens many doors.
Besides traveling, I also want to continue learning and improving myself.
That's a great goal. I think we should always try to become better versions of ourselves.
Yes, small steps every day can help us reach our biggest dreams.
That's true. Sometimes people give up because their goals seem too big.
Yes, but if we divide our goals into smaller steps, they become easier to achieve.
What is one thing you want to accomplish this year?
This year, I want to read more books, exercise regularly, and become more confident.
Those are wonderful goals. I also want to build better habits and spend more time learning new things.
It's great that we both want to grow and improve.
I believe our future depends on the choices we make today.
Absolutely. Dreams are important, but we also need action.
You're right. A dream without action is only a wish.
Exactly. We need patience, hard work, and confidence to make our dreams come true.
I hope we both achieve everything we dream about.
Me too. And I hope we always keep believing in ourselves.
Thanks for this conversation. It really motivates me.
Me too. Talking about our dreams reminds us that the future can be exciting.
Yes, let's keep working toward our goals.
Definitely. Our dreams are waiting for us.